Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna learn how to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. So basically what you need to do is go to your Discord account, and once you are there in one of your servers, you must click on this padlock, and there you're going to go into the data and cookies. There you're going to admin the cookies, and you're going to delete all these cookies. That's what you need to do. When you have deleted all your cookies, what you need to do is to log in again into your Discord account, write your username, your password. So please don't forget it, because we don't want to have more issues by now. When you have logged in again, now you must go into your channel, go into a general channel, and now try to share your screen. There you're going to be able to share the tabs, and this option is going to allow you to share the audio of these different tabs, whatever you select, okay? But if you're trying to share a window or the full screen, this is not an available option, just if you want to share a tab from Chrome, okay? And the second option here in this rocket, in the suggested activities, if you get into YouTube, for instance, there you're going to have a different menu, and all people that are right now in the same screen are going to be able to see and listen the same videos, okay? The same info and so on. And that's it. That's how you can fix the screen share audio not working on Discord.